Why did the football go to the party? Because it was kicked around. Now, speaking of someone who knows a thing or two about kicking a ball around, let's talk about Cristiano Ronaldo. This man needs no introduction, but just in case you've been living under a rock for the past 2 decades, Ronaldo is a world-renowned football player who's been dazzling fans with his skills and charisma. He's not just a player, he's a phenomenon. So, how does one become as successful as Cristiano Ronaldo in football? Stick around and find out. Like every great journey, Ronaldo's also started with a single step. Born and raised on the small island of Madeira, Portugal, Cristiano Ronaldo's love for football was evident from a tender age. His passion for the sport was as clear as day, and it was this same passion that led him to join his first football club at just 8 years old. Ronaldo was not born a star, he was made. Every day young Ronaldo would be out on the streets, come rain or shine, practicing his skills and perfecting his craft. His dedication to football was unmatched. He was determined to succeed, to rise above the rest. His desire to be the best was a fire that burned brightly within him, a fire that was not easily extinguished. And it was this same fire, this same dedication that saw him being scouted by some of the biggest clubs in the world at just 12 years old. Ronaldo's journey was not an easy one. It was filled with challenges and hurdles. But it was his hard work, his perseverance, his unwavering belief in himself that helped him overcome these challenges. It wasn't just talent, but hard work and dedication that set the stage for Ronaldo's success. Ronaldo didn't become a football superstar overnight. It took years of honing his skills and techniques. The brilliance of Ronaldo's game lies not in one, but a combination of many skills that he has meticulously developed over the years. Let's start with speed. Ronaldo's sprinting prowess is a result of relentless training, turning him into a force that can dart down the field in the blink of an eye. He didn't wake up one morning with this speed, it was a result of sweat, determination, and an unwavering commitment to improvement. Next we have strength. Ronaldo's physical power is unparalleled, making him a formidable presence on the field. His strength is not just about bulging muscles but about the power in his legs, the force behind his headers, and the resilience to bounce back from tackles. Agility, another one of Ronaldo's key skills, allows him to navigate the field with ease, weaving around opponents as if they were mere traffic cones. This agility didn't come naturally, it was honed through tireless practice and a deep understanding of the game. And then, there's shooting accuracy. Ronaldo's precision in front of the goal is nothing short of remarkable. It's all about the right angle, the right power, and the right timing. And let's not forget the free kick technique, a signature Ronaldo move. His free kicks are a spectacle, a combination of power, precision, and a unique stance that has become iconic in the football world. These skills didn't just magically appear. Ronaldo worked tirelessly to master them, showing us that success comes to those who work for it. But it's not all about physical skills. Ronaldo's mindset and discipline play a huge role in his success. Let's delve deeper into these aspects. Ronaldo's discipline is legendary. His training regime is rigorous, often extending beyond the team's regular sessions. He dedicates a significant amount of time and energy to perfecting his craft. Embodying the principle of practice makes perfect. His diet too is meticulously planned. Ronaldo understands the importance of fueling his body with the right nutrients to optimize performance. He avoids processed foods, focusing on a balanced diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Rest is another crucial element of his routine. Ronaldo prioritizes sleep to aid recovery and maintain peak physical condition. But beyond the physical discipline, there's a mental strength, a resilience that sets Ronaldo apart. He faces challenges head-on, never shying away from adversity. His competitive spirit is unparalleled. Even after achieving so much, he continues to strive for more, to push his limits. Ronaldo's discipline and mindset, coupled with his skills, are what make him a true football legend. So, what can we take away from Ronaldo's journey to success? From the humble beginnings, it was Ronaldo's passion for the game that set the stage. He was just a kid with a ball, a dream, and an unwavering determination to excel. This passion fueled the countless hours of hard work and practice, honing his skills and perfecting his techniques. These were not just physical, but mental skills as well. Discipline became his ally, shaping him into a well-oiled, goal-scoring machine. But it's the mindset that truly defines Ronaldo's success. The unwavering belief in his abilities, the resilience to bounce back from setbacks, and the constant desire to improve and evolve. It's a mindset that doesn't settle for good, but strives for greatness. Becoming a successful football player like Cristiano Ronaldo might not be easy, but with the right approach, it's definitely possible. Remember, the goal isn't to become the next Ronaldo, but the best version of yourself in the football field.